Hello, everybody. Welcome to the latest episode of Vincent Vision. It is that time again for another wonderful staycation here at Walt Disney World Resort. And this time we are staying at one of the coolest hotels they've got here, the wonderful, beautiful Boardwalk Inn. Wow, look at that hotel all around us. We are here for one night at a DVC Villa. We're going to be checking out Epcot, eating at Via Napoli. It's going to be a great time. You guys are more than welcome to join us, but keep your P's and Q's to yourself, say. That's how they talk in the Boardwalk Times, right?
Fine.
Welcome to the latest episode of Vincent Vision. Watch. Ellison, sit on this chair.
Why do they scare me?
They are kind of scary, aren't they? Wow. Hello, everybody. Good afternoon, good evening, good whatever time you're watching. Welcome to the latest episode of Vincent Vision. Wachow! Ellison's here with me. We are hanging out today at Disney World. We are having a little one-night staycation at the Boardwalk. Oh, this is cool. Look at this like fun little second level here. Oh, we're currently heading to our room now. We are trying to find it, but we are so excited to be here. Oh, I was hoping it would be that one. There are tons of different hotels here at Walt Disney World, and I think it's safe to say that Boardwalk is definitely in like the top 10 for a lot of people. It's one of the hotels that are right by Hollywood Studios, right by Epcot, so it's super convenient. It's really great. There's a lot of different activities down by, you guessed it, the Boardwalk. And it's just a really cool, fun theme. So we're excited to check this place out for the first time. We just gotta get to our room. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. Okay. A lot more than I expected. A lot more than I expected.
I'm overwhelmed.
Yeah. Hold on. Oh my, we were not ready for this.
No.
We were not ready for this.
No.
We were not ready for this. Now we're ready. Oh yeah. Oh man, look at this. What do we got here? What's the view? We've got a nice little view of the Dolphin Hotel. The Swan right over here. Nice and peaceful. This is a nice quiet view. This area is like joggers, not getting used very often.
Wow.
This is pretty
That's
awesome.
all I can say is wow.
Holy crap, we were not expecting this. Oh, this is awesome. I thought it was like one bedroom. I thought it was just gonna be like two beds and like just like a kind of like Animal Kingdom, but
Yeah.
this is pretty fantastic. This is pretty fan-freaking-tastic. We're now, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, come on, let's go see. What the heck am I doing here? Okay, so here's a quick rundown. You come on in over here. Hey, that's me. How you doing? We got a little closet over here. You know, that's great. That's fine and dandy. You go, all right. Then you come in here, and oh my gosh, you've got a full kitchen. And get this. This is different than Animal Kingdom. Bam. 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 Even. Bam. Wow. What's in here? Look at that. More random stuff. Look at that. I can make macaroni and cheese if I really wanted to. If I wanted to make 4 slices of bread at once, I could. I've got an oven. I've got a fridge. I've got a dishwasher. Like, oh my goodness. And then we come over here. We got this bathroom scenario. Hey, it's me again. How you doing? The shower is great. You know, we love a good walk-in shower. But, come on. You know we gotta do this. Look at that. Look at this nice big bathtub. Fits 2 people, you think? And then you got it over here. You know, we got the typical over here body lotion, sea salt. Gotta love that stuff. Over here, we got another closet. We got a laundry hamper. And then, and then you come out here. You got a great old view. Nice and quiet and peaceful. Holy moly, man. This is pretty freaking awesome. This is changing the plan a little bit. I think we wanted to do Epcot and like go to Hollywood Studios, but this room is so nice that I think we're gonna just go to Epcot, have some food, and then come back here and hang out. We'll see. We want to check out a little bit more of the hotel. We'll have to do that, but this room is amazing. This room is so cool. It's so impressive. I am so grateful for the stay. The staycation has commenced. supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Hey, they're playing Disney music over here at the pool. Brand new pool. They got rid of the creepy clown over here. It's actually like the warmest day that it's been here in a while. It's like 76 degrees now. Ooh. We are heading over to Epcot. We have lunch reservations at a restaurant that I have wanted to eat at for a very, very long time. Via Napoli in Italy. I have wanted some really good pizza here at the parks, and I'm hoping that this place can deliver because I have heard nothing but good things, and I want to see for myself. And come on, who doesn't like pizza? Oh, bonjour, hello, ni hao. We made it to Epcot. We're here at the World Showcase. We walked from our room to Epcot. It only took about 15 minutes. We're gonna head over to Italy, which is actually a little farther than I remembered it being for some reason. But before we do that, we're gonna take a quick pit stop into France and check out the new open pathway to Ratatouille. We're one step closer to Ratatouille opening up, so we're gonna use the bathrooms. I'm gonna use the bathrooms. You don't have to use it if you don't want to, but we're gonna go look at them as well. Oh, Remy, the Ratatouille, the walkway of my dreams. You know, I always enjoy coming to like a new area of a park right when it opens up. I think it's opened up like a couple days ago or like a week ago, but you can tell it's new. All the paint is still nice and fresh. Everything is clean. All the seats are, you know, perfect, and the cement is like all nice and shiny. You know, there haven't been thousands and thousands of feet walking on it yet. It's a very fun sort of specific pleasure that I get when I come to these theme parks. And ready? Hold on. The moment you've been waiting for. These are the bathrooms. Pretty cool, huh? All right, let's go actually go eat food. We have arrived at Via Napoli. Via Napoli? What an interesting little character here outside of the window of Via Napoli. Look at this place. This is really, really nice. Very pretty in here. Very big and spacious. The legendary Via Napoli. You're probably wondering what makes this place so cool. I'm sure you guys have heard about it or you've eaten here before. This pizza here, they do everything they can to make it as authentic as actual Italian pizza and pasta. Like, all the ingredients they get for these pizzas are imported from Italy, and the water that they use to make the crust for the bread, which is very, very important, is actually from Pennsylvania. That is the closest pH level of water to the water in Italy. So that's pretty cool. It's nice to have a classic please all dish done really, really well. And we got our appetizers. We got the garlic focaccia. It's garlic bread. It's just basically garlic bread. We just opted to have some garlic bread, dip it in some olive oil, keep it simple. You know what I mean? Some lady just hooting and hollered in the background over there. But look at that. Ooh. It's great. Wait till you see our pizza.
You need to stop eating. We have
so good.
We have a whole large pizza coming out this way.
Wow, there it is. Our pizza picante. You get that spicy pizza. Oh, wowie, wowie, wow. Oh, look at that. Wow. That looked amazing. That was so wonderful. Would you guys like to see my pizza? This is one of the specialty pizzas here at Via Napoli. This is a picante pizza. It's a spicy pizza. It's basically tomato, mozzarella, and spicy Italian sausage. This is really good. It is good, high quality pizza. You can tell by biting into it. I love it. Buonissimo. That's Spanish. Mwah. Buongiorno. Via Napoli was pretty darn awesome. The pizza was really great. It's a thin crust. The spicy pizza that we got wasn't so spicy. So like if you're trying to get that, we would recommend it. I liked it a lot. Did you like it?
Oh yeah, it was great.
Yeah, it was awesome. You know, the place was great. We were in and out in like 45 minutes. So like that was pretty darn fast. Oh, you went to check your magic band?
My magic band as if I had a pulse on it.
We would definitely recommend it. Everyone in there looked happy. Everyone looked like they were enjoying their pizza. This is a really, really solid spot, and I get why, and I'm so grateful that I finally got to eat here. But we're gonna head back to the hotel now, so we will see you at the boardwalk. We're getting ready to head back to our room in this direction over here, but if you're curious as to what is open at the boardwalk right now, this is what we got going on. A lot of stuff, actually. A little bit more than like Animal Kingdom Lodge or anywhere else we've stayed, really. You know, I think I'm starting to understand why they say that now. They say, oh, welcome home, welcome home. This place is pretty awesome. I could live here. In the fridge, our leftover pizza? No, you gotta put it in the oven.
No.
this way to the attic lounge. We're gonna find the attic. Is this the attic? Oh, it's cast members only. The attic is a reserved area for private functions. Look how beautiful it is. Everything is starting to get lit up here at Boardwalk. The weather is dropping down to those 50s that we've been getting recently here in January. We're looking for like the general store here at the hotel. We just want to get a couple snacks, like some water and things like that, so we can bring back to the room and leave over there. And then also, we are going to be responsible dog owners and go back to our houses and take care of our dogs for a little bit and then come back to the hotel because we're on a staycation, but we didn't get a dog sitter, so we got to work with that. Oh, it is the screen door general store. It's actually called a general store. I didn't know that. You got all the things you need here to stock up your hotel room. Some coffee creamer. You can even get some Mickey bars, some Mickey ice cream sandwiches if you wanted. They sell Eggos because my room has a toaster. So like I could buy that and cook those tonight or in the morning. I don't know why I said tonight. Where are they? Where are they? Where are my Goofy Twizzlers? Where are the Goofy Twizzlers? Where are they? Where the heck are they? They don't have them. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I've also got the Boardwalk here, obviously. You can get some of that stuff over here, some DVC shirts, and this kind of cool abracadabra shirt. I like the logo. You know, I'm not really a Spirit jersey kind of guy. I wouldn't really wear these normally, but I do like this color scheme a lot. This dark red and this black. Looks pretty nice. There it is. That beautiful sunset I was looking for. We have to be responsible staycationers, and we got to go back home and take care of our dogs, Kent and Newton. They miss us. We're going to spend some time with them, and then we're going to come back to the hotel and stay the night. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. Team, break. I'm going back to the hotel. Oh, I got to go this way. Yeah, this way. Back here at the hotel at night. Oh, the sign is lit up. It wasn't lit up when we were leaving at around 6:30. Now it's lit up. Yay! We wanted to go to Beaches and Cream tonight, but there was no reservations, and I guess their to-go window isn't open, so we didn't want to walk over to the Yacht and Beach Club and not have it be open, and we're kind of, still a little tired. We're taking it easy. So I did a little bit of cheating, and I got a Chick-fil-A strawberry milkshake for Ellison because I know she wanted one. I think she's here at the hotel already, so I just got to get back to the room and hang out at the room. Hello? Your Uber Eats has arrived.
Wow, thank you.
Okay, goodbye. It's later in the night and we're kind of just chilling here in the room, and honestly, I keep like opening up the balcony and forgetting that I'm at Walt Disney World because like the Swan and Dolphin is right over here, this giant massive hotel. This is pretty great. This is a really, really nice room, and like this is the nicest room that we have stayed at these staycations so far. And honestly, like this has been like the most staycation out of all of them. We've all been pretty active in all the other trips that we've done, but like we've just been really at the hotel the entire day. Well, I think we're calling it quits for the night, folks. We wanted to go see the Abracadabra bar and walk around the boardwalk at night, but we just like this room so much that we are gonna just stay here for the night. But we do have plans in the morning. We've got a reservation for the breakfast spot here at Boardwalk Trattoria al Forno. But until then, we're gonna call it a night. Have a good night. Here's to a very successful first half of our staycation. And we'll see you guys at night. Bye-bye. I like these Joffrey bags because they come like this. They come in this little pack. All you really gotta do is just like stuff it in here. Ooh, the coffee is almost ready. If anyone was curious as to how I do my coffee, I do 2 creams and 2 Splendas. Honestly, I could sit here all morning just drinking my coffee, but we have breakfast reservations at 10. That's like in 20 minutes. We can't do a late checkout, so we gotta get our bags in the car and be at Trattoria al Forno at 10 a.m. So let's do that.
can't see, but I pouted my lip.
And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. I'm just showing you, but you're in the way of my dramatic walkout. The end. This is where we are having breakfast. Trattoria al Forno. Hey, thank you, ma'am. Wow. Abracadabra bar over there. It's currently closed. It's the morning. We should have gone at night, but it's okay. We're here now, which I've actually never been here before. Interesting. This is the breakfast spot here at Boardwalk. If you're looking to have a full service breakfast, it's actually where they used to have character dining where you can meet Rapunzel and Flynn and Ariel and Eric, and obviously they're not doing that right now, but they used to do that here, and I didn't know that, so that's kind of cool. Look at that. That is the Caprese Bloody Mary. It looks delicious. I just kind of want to eat the mozzarella on here. Yeah, it is a little different. You're right. It's definitely a little more basil, a little more basil. Basil. All right. It's good though. Your pancakes look so much more different than I thought they were gonna be. And then this smells amazing, but you guys gotta look at this Italian omelet right over here. Wow, this is awesome. This here is 15 bucks. Oh man. This is a lot of food. We were hungry, but we were not this hungry. The omelet was pretty good. Like, I love the tomato sauce and the mozzarella, and you can really taste the basil. But it's not like, I guess, as savory as I wanted in an omelet. I ended up eating all the potatoes and the sausage first. I guess I was just in a little bit of a savory mood. Hey, you! Wait. How are the pancakes?
Oh, they're good.
Or how was the one pancake, I guess?
They're very thick.
They're very, very thick. I'm gonna have one. We are out of here. Goodbye, Trattoria del Forno. Al Forno. Trattoria al Forno. It is such a seriously beautiful day, and honestly, if we didn't have dogs to go back to, I think we just get like another park reservation and like go to Epcot or Hollywood Studios or something. Breakfast was good. Breakfast was great. We didn't eat all of it, but it was enough to get us there. We had a great lunch. We had a great breakfast. We had a great time here at the Boardwalk Resort. Oh, this place is seriously awesome, and like, I get why this is such a popular Disney hotel. I think you're looking for this?
Yes.
Is
it the only one they have?
I'm not sure. We can go check. But Ellison likes to get a pin of every Disney hotel that we've stayed at. And we gotta get one for Boardwalk. Now we have officially left the Boardwalk. Goodbye. Awesome stay. That is our show, ladies and germs. Thank you all so much for hanging out with us in our wonderful staycation. We are officially checked out of the Boardwalk. We are done, but we had an amazing time. I will always be stunned by the kindness and generosity of strangers, people who watch these videos. So thank you so much, Leslie, for hooking it up. This was really, actually a really great stay, and we had a great time. And like, you know, this is great. Boardwalk is awesome. It's an awesome hotel. And like, I never got the hype before. I totally get it now.
10 out of 10 would recommend.
10 out of 10 would recommend. And you guys, you're all awesome. You know, we may not have that many subscribers, but I got the right people watching. And I hope you guys all enjoyed this. So with that being said, thank you all for watching VincentVision. Please be sure to like, subscribe, tell your friends, all that good stuff. Watch some more of my videos. Do I even really have to recommend the Boardwalk? It's awesome. It's great. You're going to have a great time. And we are so fortunate for our stay. We should do some more staycations.
Yeah.
We shall.
Maybe in a few weeks.
Maybe
Wink,
in a few
wink.
weeks. Ooh, wink, wink. I like that. Hey, you guys will have to find out what we're talking about later. But until then, thank you all for watching, and see you on the Boardwalk.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.